What's up? What up? What's up? What's up, dude? Hey, we back. We back. Here, hold on a second. Let me check something, dude. Dude, man, I had it on the wrong microphone. Hello. 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 Bro, the first two videos, tutorial 1 and tutorial 2, I'm pretty sure I didn't have this microphone on my headset turned on. It was just picking up from the laptop microphone. Dude, like, get with it, P1. Like, dude, it happens, it happens. Sorry, I'm like touching my face. I was coughing for a second right before this video. All right, so yeah, I got the damn microphone working now, so maybe this audio quality is gonna be way better than tutorial 1 and 2. We'll see, right? It could not be good, but we at the remote location. We're not at the main studio, but we make and do. We make and do. We're still trying to pump out videos. We got the ArduBoy here. Like, I'm gonna play with the ArduBoy. I'm gonna code it and stuff, but I don't know how to do it. I gotta learn how to do it. I don't know how to use these libraries, these ArduBoy libraries. I got some coding knowledge, and stuff like that. So we're good there. Like, we just gotta learn the ArduBoy framework or library, whatever you want to call it. I don't know. I think they call it library. But yeah, so walk with me, come with me on my journey. So these are kind of like walkthrough videos. That's what I'm gonna call these. Walkthrough. They're the walkthrough videos. But all right, yeah. So hopefully we got better audio quality. Here, let me go to the next scene. Here, we gotta check it again here just to make sure. Excuse me. All right, we good, we good, we good, we good. All right, so our we still got our sketch from last time. It's just still chilling here, but we're on a new page here. We're on the Holmes education lessons. How to make ArduBoy game part 3, storing data and loops. So he's teaching you more programming knowledge. Like, I have a lot of programming knowledge already, data loops, variables. I mean, I could learn some new algorithms and stuff like that, like get better at using stuff. But I know all this stuff, so I really don't need to read this like to a camera. You should read this if you don't know what the stuff is. But yeah, excuse me. All right, so variables, loops, he just kind of telling you lather, rinse, repeat when you take a shower and you need to wash your hair. But don't just keep doing it over and over and over and over and over and be like this guy in the video here. Like, he never got out of the shower because that's all he's doing. He's been in there, what does it say, 4 days? He's been in the shower 4 days. Lather, rinse, repeat for 4 days straight. Look at him. Looks like an old guy, but he's just all wrinkly in the water. How did the water stay hot that time? It probably was cold. Alright, so getting started. Excuse me. So it looks like it's the same script that he has here. He's talking about. Let's go grab the code from the previous tutorial, and we can build off that. So should I make a whole new one, or should I just edit the one I started? Whatever. Let's see. So initialize. So he's teaching how to initialize variables and whatever. Assigning variables, counter. All right. Let's see. So we got a counter. Let's put a counter. Oh, so this is the one we're gonna make a counter game. So we're just calling a variable, making an int variable, calling it counter. A variable is how you store data. So we're going to store data, a number data, whole numbers only, because that's why we use int. If you want to use fractions and stuff like 0.5 or cents, you got to use a different variable. You can't use int. You got to use like, I don't know. At the top of my head, right at the top of my head, I don't know what the hell the variables. It's not a char. Right, because that's just like a character. Oh, a double. Is it a double? No, I think double just increases it. Man, what is it? Ints? It's something really easy, but we'll figure it out later. Let's just get back to this tutorial. Double could have been a double, right? Oh, no. Oh, it's like right on my tip of my head. What is it? Oh, come on, man. The comments are me flowing. They're like, you should know it. It's not a double. What the heck is it? Let's Google this. Oh my gosh. See, that's why Google's your best friend. Int double char string bool integer float. That's what it is, dog. Holy cow. So if you want your phone numbers, so we're gonna have $10.50. That's what we use. I'm pretty sure that's what we use. Float. So the float does integers, is that right? I don't know. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. I don't know. I'm like a professional programmer. I'm just like enthusiast. I like programming, coding. All right, so we don't need that. I'm just like getting into variables a little bit there. All right, so we got a counter going, and then we're gonna initialize it in here. But look, he clears a lot of the stuff. So yeah, hold on. Let's make a new sketch. But let's just copy this everything. Oh, here, hold on. We'll change the date. Well, I guess we don't need to change the date, but we'll change the title. All right, new sketch. All right, hold on. Since I'm doing this stupid OBS, I think got conflicts. I gotta go back in the properties of the IDE and select a new one. Excuse me. There we are. We are back. We are back. All right, so we got our new sketch here. I'm just gonna copy and paste what I did. Let's change the thing. So there's the counter one. Tell me, who else when you're deleting stuff you use two fingers and you're just like because you think it'll go faster than just go with one? So I mean, maybe it is faster. Never know. That's what I just did there. All right, so we don't need this stuff here. Hold on, we don't need the print statements. We just need to have begin and clear. You don't even have display there yet, so let's delete display too. All right, let's initiate this counter to 0. So every time the program starts, the counter is going to be 0, basically. That's what we're doing here. Incrementing. So we're going to increment it. So counter equal counter plus 1. So that's what you have to do. So you have to call the counter so it knows 0. And then you're going to say, okay, so you want that variable to be equal to whatever you are. That's why you call the counter plus 1. Let's see. So he's talking about more stuff, variables, add ArduBoy, print the counter. We're going to print it, and we're going to clear. We're going to set the cursor print. So just read through this if you don't know what the heck is going on. I'm kind of just walking through it. You know, just making walkthrough videos, I'm calling these now. What's all this? The completed code. So you changed it to printing text. It's not called counter anymore. All right, and he puts a lot of comments into it. And then look, that looks like the end of the video already, or the tutorial. All right, let's see this. All right, there's the counter. So, all right. So in the loop, he does. How come it doesn't just pick it up, you know? Just to clear. Then it does a set cursor. So the set cursor is going to put position, you know, where the text is going to be displayed. 0, 0. Excuse me, isn't that default by with the cursor top left of the screen? Isn't the cursor 0, 0 by default? Now we're going to increase the counter. Then we're going to print it. Then we're going to display. All right. Let me, so by the time we're doing a change here, so I kind of just want to put spaces there. All right, so is that all? And then he says run the code, display, and then it should display a counter, and it's just an increment. All right, let's run this. What's up, dude? All right, let's get back. Oh, should I just run it while that's still there and see what happens? All right, let's go. Something's wrong. I got a typo there. So before it even like goes to the thing, it compiles it and says, "Hey man, you got something wrong here. Compilation error. What's ArduBoy? Why don't you tell me?" I put an L in there. Let's save it again. Here, let's just verify it. Make sure it compiles. No errors. All right, we look good. Look good. Now let's send it to the ArduBoy. Send it. Excuse me again. ArduBoy works. It's just counting. Look, so just made a counter. Now it's just going crazy. It's just going up, 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 up. What do you think it's gonna stop at? 5,000, 6,000. We'll see. Cause what is the int? What's the top int? What is the int going to max out at? Dude, it's gonna go on for a long time probably. Cause eventually it's gonna get out of memory. Something's gonna happen here. All right, let's just turn it off. Turn you off. Plug you back in. Make sure we're still on the right comb. I'm full. All right, ArduBoy. All right, we're good to go. It's off. It's not counting anymore. That was gnarly. I should have let it kept going and see, but like I don't know. I don't want to like crash or I don't, nothing probably would have happened, you know. But what's next? You know, what's next? You know, we got clicked that link there to go to part 4. All right, so I guess that's it, dog. That's it, man. Part 3 is gone. This was another quick one. 12 minutes, 15-minute long, whatever. Yeah. All right, quick video. Thanks, Holmes. Let's get to the next one, dog. All right, peace, y'all.